Alright, back again for a quicker little video, kind of just a bit of a charting session. So what we have to look at is just where we are at with the last video. Pretty much left it at being in a leveraged position after the elections, kind of around here. So I got this whole ride up, roughly 6-7% I think, that I had leveraged on the SP500. Now, I was kind of saying, as this drops 5% or more, you gotta start looking at getting out. So it kind of did happen. Let's see, 3862.65, which is the highest point. So that times 0.95 is a 5% drop, and that'd be a 3668. So we got a little more ways to go before we hit that in the S&P 500. Now, I also did say to keep an eye on the Dow Jones Transports Index. So that'd be this guy right there. Let's get my calculator back. Now this one's high is 13,208. Again, 0.95. So looking at 12,547, and we did pass that yesterday. So I was starting to think about selling this. The major reason that we did have this major drop was, believed to be that many fund managers or investors needed to free up cash in order to afford margin calls or afford to close out positions in the stocks that were getting short squeezed, like GameStop and AMC, BlackBerry, Bed Bath Beyond, Nokia apparently is in this list. I actually have a couple call options in Nokia, and I have to tell you, I've had one good day. Every other day has been nothing, so I don't think it's really part of that short squeeze list, unfortunately, for me, but whatever. So kind of decided to keep this one more day and see how the next day opens up. We did open upwards and are back above the 12,547. Or actually, we're just a little shy still. So we'll see if we close above that or not. Earlier in the day was above it, so we need to see if this closes above that or not. If it doesn't, then I will probably be closing that SPXL position at whatever it's at. So let's kind of check up that. I got into the SPXL, I believe, right around here originally, right after the election, shot up. So let's just ballpark the number 6190. And today it is at 75.60. What do we say? 68.9. It's 61.90, I think, right? So, and try that. Boom. Alright, so looking at about like a 22% gain. Not too bad for 2 months, 2.5 months. So I will take that. Cool. Now, the one other thing I do want to point out before I end this video is only the dollar, or the value of the dollar, which is shown by the chart DXY, which is just an index. Can't really trade this or anything. But this is kind of the next thing to watch for in the stock market if there's going to be, I don't think it'd be a crash, but I do see a little bit of selling on the horizon, possibly in response to taxes, because people had a pretty good year actually in the stock market, so they need to take out some cash to pay off their taxes at some point in the first few months, usually in the first few weeks of the year they do this. So that could be coming any day now, and I think that might be triggered by this dollar. So I'm seeing a pretty good amount of resistance. No, that's not what I was looking for. Shoot. Yes. Looking at this level here, it's about $91. Yeah. So if we see the dollar go above this, we may start seeing some selling, like strong selling. This in the headlines you'll probably see is that stimulus is delayed, and that will cause a rise in the value of the dollar. Since there won't be as many new dollars or new supply coming in, it should raise the value of it. So that's the thing to watch. I'm going to be keeping an eye on that. Until then, So right now, as I've taken this video, I am still kind of leveraged. If today closes today the 28th closes with the Dow Jones Transports not above that point, then I will likely close the leverage and just go into a normal kind of portfolio, just mostly in the SPY, kind of matching the S&P 500, and leave it at that until we see this spike in the dollar or something else pops up. So that's about where we're at. Want to make a quick market update. Hopefully this video actually did turn out to be pretty quick. And as always, leave some questions or comments so I can follow up on those and talk to you next time, which will probably be pretty soon, because I kind of want to make a video about the whole GameStop and short squeezing and kind of some of the repercussions that are following it, to just add my kind of viewpoints on the whole issue, the whole topic that's been such a stir the last few days. So yeah, to that video, I'll talk to you all later. Everyone stay safe out there and happy trading. Peace out.